Hello and welcome to Ark Training. My name's Simon. We're going to have a look at actually adding Kahoot into our teams today. So let's have a quick look. I've created this little team down here called Kahoot. There's only me and a fake pupil in there. But that doesn't matter for what we're trying to do at the moment. So if we just, in the general channel, click on the plus, and what we can do is we want to add Kahoot. Now Kahoot is there straight away because I've added it a couple of times. But if it's not there, just type in the search box up there, Kahoot, and then we can just add Kahoot. Just click the add button. Because I've already added Kahoot before, I don't actually have to sign in. We can also untick this box here, or we can, if you want everybody to know that it's there, but I just untick that. Click add Kahoot and then click save. Like I said, I've already added Kahoot to a couple of other teams, so there is one extra little step where you have to log in. So these are some Kahoots that I've made in the past, you know, going back to quite a way. I've used Kahoots in FE and HE. That's actually my training background. I've used Kahoots up to university level, and they all love it. Students love it, and the lobby music that drives me insane. They go, no, keep it on, and you're going, oh, great! That's really what I want to hear in my head for the rest of the day. Thank you so much. But we can see we've got all of my Kahoots. And we have two options. We can present or we can assign. So first off, let's just go with a present. I'm just going to pick one at random. And this is exactly as our Kahoot would be on the web, basically. So we've got our classic mode or our team mode, and our various different game options. So obviously lobby music, which still doesn't include a please don't put any lobby music on. You can randomize the order of stuff. I always do that. But let's just, for the sake of example, let's just click OK. And then what will happen is the wonderful music starts. Oh, it's so good. And there's our PIN number. So if we had any students, they can put in that PIN number, and then we can push start, and away we go. And it's exactly the same as our normal Kahoot, but we're actually within Microsoft Teams. So that's really good. If, on the other hand, we wanted to do a nice sort of assignment for Kahoot. So we've made a Kahoot. There's 10 questions here. These were for what's L3 app? Level 3. So BTEC Level 3 Apprentices Knowledge Base 1 Quiz 3. Wow, how's that for a memory? So we can actually assign this, and we can set a due date. So let's just set a due date of Monday the 22nd of June. We can set it for lunchtime, why not? We can put a question timer on or off, so that still actually has our question timers. Yes, we want to randomize our answer order. There's a nickname generator if we want, and there's a note to the Teams channel. So we could do complete this Kahoot. There we go. Oh, complete this Kahoot, and then I'm just going to create that. Takes a little moment. There we go. And that Kahoot has now been sent to our channel. So if we actually look in our general channel, there is a new challenge. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open an incognito window, and I'm going to go to teams.microsoft.com. I'm going to sign on as Ark Pupil 1, because I know that the only person in that team apart from myself is Ark Pupil 1. So let me just sign in there. It's alright, my internet's really fast, don't worry. Right, so we were in the Kahoot channel, and here's our challenge. So we can see straight away in the general channel it's there. So I've said complete this Kahoot, here we go, and I can open this challenge. So this is obviously from my learner's point of view. If we look on the Kahoot tab over here, it says new. And the Kahoot is just basically log in or sign up. They don't really have an account, so it's not really going to be particularly impressive. But let's just go back to our general channel there. Let's open up this challenge. And when I open it up, instead of asking me for a pin, etc., we get to enter a nickname. I'm going to use Max. That's the one I always used when I was a kid, funnily enough. It was just much easier. I always thought Max was a cooler name than Simon. And then I'm going to push OK. And then we start actually doing the Kahoot. So we still get a little countdown, 3, 2, 1. We still get a few of the noise. Oh dear Lord! This is 18 to 18. Look at that. I haven't done binary that often lately, so. And then what we can do is we can just go through the rest of the Kahoot. So let's just hit the next one. What's the, for crying out loud, what's the binary of 157? So that's 10. I know it's a 10. 7 is that one. Dash. And we can just literally go through the Kahoot as we would do as if we were a student. So what would you use a turn and probe for? If you're a level 3 apprentice, you know exactly what a turn and probe is used for. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to pause the video, and then when we come back I'll have finished the Kahoot and we can see what it looks like after. Okay, so I've actually gone through that. I've completed my challenge. And what will actually happen is we can actually copy and paste that link in a little while, because we can save this link and come back to see the podium once the challenge has finished. And obviously the challenge doesn't finish until the 22nd of July, I think I said it to. At that point, that link will become live, and we can actually share who's, we can see who's first, second, third, etc., etc. So I'm just going to close that. So I've actually completed my challenge, and that's great. When the deadline is up, all of that information from all the answers from all the students that have taken part becomes available to us as teachers. So there we go. This is just a very brief tour through Kahoot. It's a fantastic plugin for Teams, and I know lots of you use Kahoot already, and it's just an easy way of integrating that kind of that fun, competitive kind of nature in there. And it's always competitive, even when we don't want a Kahoot to be competitive. People still take it as competitive because it's like, the faster you answer, the more points you get. I hope you found this video useful. And I hope to see you on the next one. So thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.